So many lash artists feel like styling and mapping is the most stressful part of their jobs. So today, I'm simplifying the mapping process and I'm providing you a mapping that's gonna look good on everyone. It's gonna suit everyone's natural lash health, and the best part, it's also gonna save you time in your services. So strap in because this is definitely gonna be one that you're gonna wanna save. Begin your service just like you normally do, but with a few subtle tweaks. One being, when you cleanse, you want to cleanse all the way up to the eyebrow. Why? Because we're lashing in layers today. We need an oil-free eyelid in order for the eye pads to stick. Next up, prime the lashes, but not with traditional primer. Use superbonder instead. This has curing properties, which means your lashes are going to instantly grip, which is actually going to speed up your services. Okay, let's get into the mapping. We're lashing in layers, as I've already said. So pull back all the lashes with an iPad. I only use standard gel pads for this, by the way. The rest are either too sticky or not sticky enough. From here, you're gonna pull out the bottom lash layer. And on this layer, you're gonna use short lengths in our new Wispy pre-made fan line. These are 8D lashes, which can sound a little crazy to some people. When they think 8D, they think mega volume, but get this. We've created these lashes with natural, lightweight sets in mind. Just look at how airy these look. We've done this by using 0.03 diameter lashes and mixing multiple lengths within every single fan. So even though it's an 8D fan, it's going to look so lightweight and it's going to suit any client's natural lash health. I promise you. In fact, it's actually the most ideal lash type for clients who have weak natural lashes or not a lot of lashes or layers. It's going to provide coverage, but still feel lightweight and create a nice and subtle result. Nothing too overpowering here, which actually brings me to my next point. The bottom layer is not meant to be the focal point. We want a little wispiness across the top layer. So in order to create a finished type effect, but not overpower the set, we're gonna use short lengths down here. If in doubt, use lengths 7 to 12 millimeters, which is such a safe bet no matter who you use them on. Honestly, if in doubt, 7 to 12 millimeters, just use it in a squirrel eye mapping. In fact, this is what our mapping is going to look like on the bottom layer. On that note, a squirrel eye mapping looks good on everyone for this reason. One, it opens the eyes while extending it at the same time. So no matter if your client has round eyes, almond eyes, narrow eyes, anything, it's the most well-rounded shaping for any client. On that note, let's look at the curls that I used. I used B curl for the bottom layer only because I don't want the bottom layer to overpower the set. Just look at how natural this looks. Honestly, the set could be done. It's of course not, but you can see how subtle it is. The base is intended to not overpower the set, but instead just add darkness. So that's where B curl comes in. Okay, time to build the shaping of the set. I'm using my new favorite product, which is our Angel Lash Collection. Guys, these are the prettiest lashes I've ever used in my life, and they're so easy. You just pick them up from the tray, just like you would any pre-made fan. It's gonna be so fast and so efficient, but get this. They're actually wrappable. The base is not bonded for you, so you can wrap them around the natural lash, or for an extra light effect, you can only pick up like a half of the fan if you wanted, and then you get double the use out of your tray as well. Anyhow, these are gonna be used for the entire top and middle layer. This is where my shaping comes to life. Here's a look at the mapping that I used. I'm using C curl because it truly does look good on everyone, and I'm just mixing multiple lengths throughout every section. So where my mapping states 12 millimeter, I'm also going to mix 11s and 10s in that section across the top and middle layer too, and it just looks feathered, natural, and get this, it's going to last better than any other set. Why? Because we've mimicked the natural lash growth. So guys, what do you think? Would your clients wear this look? If so, you're going to want to head over to Lost Artistry Lash and start building your cart right now, because tomorrow, May 26, 2025, our entire website is going to be 20% off, making it the perfect time to try a new style without the high investment cost. If you guys have any questions about this look, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, happy shopping and hope your clients love this mapping as much as my clients do.